Hello YouTubers, it's now the middle of March and we're rolling our winter barley which we planted in October. Of course it came wet after we planted it and we didn't have a chance to roll it. And just looking at the black grass, there's still, despite planting it late, spraying off and planted it late, well October's late for us, there's still plenty of black grass in here. If you look down the tram lines, there. That's the way it is. Sun's just setting, it's just getting a bit chilly. I just walked over the other side of the valley, which was the long-term fallow, and this is a lot thicker than over there. I think it's had nitrogen already in the soil, plus what we put on it. I expect there's quite a few weeds out here though, not so much black grass. Well, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the rolling in the sunset. Thanks very much for watching.